this little, this is what we're talking about, this little portion up here on upside. You can see what ends up happening as the temperature goes up, what happens to the current. So when the temperature goes up, what happens to the current? It would stay just about the same, see what I'm getting at? But it's still impacted. Right. The voltage is going to change, but the current's also going to change too, but just by a little bit. It's just not really will be perceptible.
Since power is current times voltage, power output is going to go down.
But it's very small, right? Exactly. So it's just going to be very small on that, but it's mostly going to be voltage that's going to be impacted. All right. So that's called the IV curve. And there are the maximum power points for all of it. So at 1,000 watts per meter squared, it would be 312.0 watts. Let's go to the next. Let's go to another model. So that'll be the next one, and the next one is what was the next cell size? 166. This is a 166 millimeter model.